Welcome back to Hauler's Garage, you guys. As you know, I'm Bo, and I got a little video. I didn't even plan on making one today, but I was doing a little repair on the wife's vehicle while I'm waiting on something to dry on my truck. And I was like, you know what? I couldn't really find a lot of info or videos on how to take this certain thing apart. So I figured I'd make my own little video and see if I can help anybody out. Hey, a little information out there is better than none, right? What we got going is this little section right here where the power outlet is and the heated seat controls. First of all, that is in a horrible spot because right here's the frickin' cup holders, and my wife drinks coffee like crazy. Well, I kind of do too, but let me show you the new one. Here's the new one, and it's supposed to have a little lid, spring-loaded lid. Well, that thing broke off a long time ago, and anytime her little cup spill coffee, it goes right down in there. Well, it causes a mess, causes malfunctions. And so I ordered this new one a while back. Just a little simple little thing. Ordered this new one a while back. Just hadn't put it in yet, but I was having trouble, okay. Let's see here. Okay, where's the screws? How do you pull this thing apart? So the first thing you do, I've already took this screw out. Pull this little piece up. Pull this little piece out. And there's one screw right there. Already took it out. I think it was a T20. And then you grab this one around the shifter, pull it up. And we'll see if you guys can see it. Okay. Right in here's one screw. And right over here in the other corner, there's another screw, little Torx bits. And that's what you take loose to pop this other one out. So let me get those. Ooh, hello. Let me get those out real quick. Be all right. Ignore the blue lights right here. All right. So once I got those two screws out, and this one back here in the back out, got those loose and out. Get my light here. The parking brake, emergency brake handles over here. You kind of gotta just do what works for you. Figure it out, kind of thing. Pull this up and out. Pull this piece up and out as you raise that up or down and kind of work it way up. And there's one plug right here for the lit cup holders. Pull that up, and then there's a plug right there, and then there is the cigarette lighter. Or it might not be cigarette lighter, power outlet, whatever you want to call it. All right, that one right there feels like it's got one of them little safety things on it. Let me get a screwdriver. Alright, let me fight with this little safety clip right here. Be right back. Well, alright guys, I got that loose. Got all that nonsense out of there. Ooh, goodness gracious. Alright, so what we got here, it looks like two screws. One there, one there. Let me see if it's my T20 I got there on the floor. It is. Let me break those loose. It is my T20. I got way too many extensions on there for something. I was actually trying to get to her cabin air filter a few minutes ago. So I stuck all these extensions on here, and I just hadn't taken them off yet. So let's see if I can get these screws out of here. that one in the floor, I'm sure gonna lose it. And then I just dropped that one in the floor. So, alright guys, I had a little issue trying to find out how to get this, because these little tabs go up under here, and of course the screw part goes back here. It's like, how in the world does that come out? Big dummy. This picks up. So I'm going to, I wish I had my GoPro on right now, but I don't. So I gotta do all this kind of weird handed here. So I picked that up, slid that under there, and dropped that back down. That's all there is to it. That is all there is to that part right there. Okay, cool. So this part that I ordered came with all the harnesses, but alright, you guys, as you can see, I got both those screws back in. I bought this part off eBay, so it's, you know, recycled, you know, whatever. It's still a lot better than what we had in here. So all the old plugs came with the thing. They just cut the wires off. I'm just going to use her factory plug. No sense in doing anything unnecessary down here as far as splicing or none of that nonsense. So I am going to just put all this stuff back together. And this should be interesting, trying to do it on camera. Going to try to see if that's up all the way. It is. Sorry guys. Well, I ain't gonna try to make you guys watch this part. This has to go through that hole, and I guess I could take that off maybe. Yeah, I'll just do that. Instead of trying to force that through that hole, I will just pull this off. There we go. That was works smarter, not harder, right? Still, let me get that down. There we go. All right, guys, welcome back. Well, that was not too hard here. So I just did a reverse of what I did. This right here. Let me see if I can. All right, this right here. The hole. This piece here, I need to get that down in there, right? This plastic piece behind the parking brake handle, it comes out. That made this console a lot easier to go back in. Instead of trying to wrestle it around that hole, just take that piece off, put the console in, and then put that around the parking brake handle. Other than that, it was just the one screw under here, the two screws under here, and snap everything back together. And that's replacing this. And as you see, it flips up as it's supposed to. Got the power outlet thing in there, so it works. And that's all there is to that. So that was a short little video. I hope it helps you guys. Hope it helps somebody. So yeah. Have a wonderful Sunday. Love you guys. Bye.